All right, so this is the GoPro Hero 10 Black. It's one of the latest iterations of this, and a lot of people have trouble getting the port door open for the card or charging or the battery. I don't know why you take the battery out. I just leave it in and charge it in there unless you're going to put it in one of those hubs. But what you have to do is come to the side, and I'll show you which side. See, it says GoPro here. Here's your front-facing screen. It's on this side next to the power button. And there's a little lip there, and what you got to do is stick your thumbnail under there, put 2 fingers here, just like that, and all you're going to do is push up, and you'll see that that releases, and then you can open it up. And then inside here, there's 3 things. You got your battery, you got your microSD card, and you got your USBC port for charging. The battery easily comes out like that, right? The card, once you've taken the battery out, it's easy to get out. You got to give it a little push. It's on a spring. And then all these micro SD cards have this little lip that you can get your thumbnail under and just pull it up. Whoops, I dropped it down in there. And then this one right here, you need your USB-C. All right, so there's your micro SD card. Make sure you have the right kind of card. To get it back in there, you just got to slide it into the port like that. Kind of push it down, and then just put a little bit of, you got to put a little bit of pressure on it because it's got a spring, right? And then to get your battery back in, you're going to have the GoPro facing this way, right? So you see GoPro here and here. Just push it in, bam, Bob's your uncle. And now to charge it, you'd go ahead and just plug your USB-C in there. Okay, I moved over to my workstation, and here's a USB-C. You see, you can put this in either way. It doesn't matter. It's not like those traditional ones. So, and you just kind of slide it in there like this, and bam, now you're charging your camera. And then you just let it sit there. You're going to see it's got a little red light there. I just leave it overnight, and then I just come back and get it later. And that's basically how you do it. Once it's all charged up, I'm going to let it charge after I make this video, but I'm going to unhook it for right now. And after it's all charged up, all you do to close it is just push this like this, right? And let me just show you. If I push it from here, watch. It doesn't go all the way down, so you got to kind of push it from here and then kind of squeeze it. And that's it, bam, Bob's your uncle. You got it all ready to go. All right, I'm going to go ahead and just charge her up, and because I need to use this tomorrow when I go scuba diving. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.